See, like, how do you pronounce that? Parkwell. Parkwell. Sounds like Peter Quill. Parkwell, Peter Quill. Parkwell, Peter Quill. Parkwell, Peter Quill. That's kind of hard to do. Buenos dias! We are in Barcelona.
Barcelona!
And oh my goodness, it is so nice to be back in slightly warmer weather. Madrid was pretty warm, but Barcelona is going up to like 16, 17 degrees Celsius today. It is so nice, especially coming from like Norway and stuff. So it's refreshing. I have a bit of an earlier start today than the girls because I am going to. The girl chose not to come because an entry ticket to this place is 13 euros, which is rather expensive. Usually I wouldn't pay that much to go inside of a normal building either, but if Ed Sheeran sings about it, then definitely not normal. I had to use that song at least once in my vlog. I mean. I have never seen anything like this. Oh my goodness. I am genuinely speechless. Crazy fact about this place. Construction started in 1882, so it's actually been under construction for 136 years. And it's not actually finished. It's the estimated finish date is supposed to be 2026, so it's going to be a 144-year project. And it deserved every year that was put into it. You can absolutely add that onto the list of things that look much better in person than on my GoPro. It is indeed, as Ted Mosby so elegantly put it in How I Met Your Mother, brown, pointy, and weird.
Of all the words you could use to describe La Sagrada Familia, brown, pointy, weird.
We have Rochambeau, and we're on bikes again. A lot of the things we want to do today are quite spread out, so we thought, why not? Super fun in Paris, and it's still super fun. Next stop, Parkwell. Parkwell. How do you... Parkwell. 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 What? I don't know. I'll park. Food time. We're going to this seafood thing. What is it?
Can I explain it?
Yeah.
It's a seafood place where you pick out the seafood and then you pay by weight, and then you hand it to them and they prepare it whatever way you like, just for the price of the weight of the seafood.
The benefits of walking a very long distance uphill, you get to go back down. had crab, but I've never had my own. This is rather intimidating. I don't know how to do this.
There's meat at the bottom of it. Come on, buddy, you can do it. Oh, yeah.
Okay. Let's get this straight. I'm not a save the animals, meat is murder, vegan eating millennial, or anything like that. There is something about just mutilating the carcass of a crab to eat its meat. It's a little unsettling. I like the taste of crab and everything, and I like crab things like crab cakes, but that was something. Okay, so we were biking by the store, and look, it's a slide into Sephora. Go. I don't like Sephora, but I like slides. That is how you market. Okay, we are back at the hostel, and there's a wicked feature that I haven't shown you guys yet. Look at this. That is everything for Barcelona. Okay. Do not like my outro yet again, so we're gonna refilm it yet again. I did like that skateboard thing though, so I kept that in. I forgot to say that. See, even though we were 2 months in at this point, I was still getting used to talking to a camera. Like, I was still not really used to it. It's weird. It's weird. But like a lot of my outros were just kind of just awkward, you know? It's just cringy, and watching it back, I'm like, why? Anyways, Barcelona was the bomb. Very cool city. The La Sagrada... Is it the La? Does La mean the in Spanish? Yes, it does. Okay, so La Sagrada Familia was beautiful. Weather there, beautiful. Tearing apart a crab, not beautiful. Tasted good, kind of. It was weird. It was like cold. I don't know. It was weird. But overall, Barcelona, very cool city. Definitely worthy of an Ed Sheeran song. Taylor Swift may not be, but Barcelona is. He sang some songs about Taylor Swift, right? I mean, I feel like after being friend-zoned by her for so long, he probably has written like a couple songs about her. I don't know, like, probably, right? Probably. Anyways, Nice is our next spot, so I will see you guys in a few hundred miles.